Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can block GoGuardian. So for that I will be providing a link in the description, and all you have to do is just click on that description, and this is the link. It will take you to this page. Since I don't have GoGuardian, so it is not working on me. So for you, if you have GoGuardian, only then this link will work. So just open this link and then go to the section of disable and repair GoGuardian, and after that you will be able to see that there is option to hard disable GoGuardian and soft disable. So the difference is that when you hard disable GoGuardian, the GoGuardian will be blocked even when you log out of your Chromebook, and also in order to get back to your old settings you will need to power wash your Chromebook. And in the soft disable, it will be just a mild disable of GoGuardian, and you will be able to get GoGuardian back by just logging out of your Chromebook. And in the repair section you can just click on it and get back your old settings when your teacher is around, but make sure that you are doing it on your own risk and read all the things related to it before getting involved in this, because you might get suspended from your school for this. So this is the link that you can use to block GoGuardian, and I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.